Hello and welcome to Crypto Horizon. Today we're going to guide you through the step-by-step process of buying crypto on Binance, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Don't forget to use our Binance referral code 291935167 to get started with some great bonuses. First, let's talk a bit about Binance. Binance is renowned for its wide range of cryptocurrencies and robust security measures. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, Binance offers tools and resources to make your trading experience smooth and secure. Before you start buying crypto, you need to create and verify your Binance account. Head over to the Binance website or download the app, click on Sign Up, and follow the prompts. Remember to set up two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Next, you'll need to fund your Binance account. There are several methods to do this. Bank transfer. Go to the deposit section, select your currency, and follow the instructions. Credit debit card. Select Buy Crypto, enter the amount, and fill in your card details. Each method has associated fees, so make sure to check those before proceeding. Now let's dive into buying crypto. There are several methods you can use on Binance. 1. Spot trading. Go to the Trade section and select Classic or Advanced. Choose your trading pair, for example, BTC USD. Enter the amount you want to buy and place your order. 2. P2P trading. Select P2P from the menu. Browse offers from other users and choose one that suits you. Communicate with the seller and complete the transaction. 3. Credit to debit card purchases. Click on Buy Crypto and select Credit to Debit Card. Enter the amount and your card details. Confirm your purchase. Make sure to use our Binance referral code 291935167 during registration to enjoy exclusive bonuses. Once you've bought your crypto, it's crucial to secure it. Consider moving your funds to a secure wallet, either a hardware wallet or a trusted software wallet. Enable additional security measures like email notifications and security questions. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Here are some common issues and how to resolve them. Failed transactions. Double-check your payment details and ensure you have sufficient funds. Verification delays. Make sure you've provided all required documents clearly. Account issues. Contact Binance support for any unresolved issues. Here are some tips to enhance your trading experience. Stay informed. Keep up with market trends and news. Diversify. Don't put all your funds into one crypto. Set limits. Use limit orders to manage your buying and selling prices. Thank you for watching this guide on how to buy crypto on Binance. Make sure to use our referral code 291935167 when you sign up to get some great bonuses. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tutorials and tips from Crypto Horizon. Subscribe now!